Here we are again with another edition of Ask Ron. Got a few good questions here. If you have any questions you'd like to ask Ron, make sure you go to the Gold Club site, and you get all the details about membership at ronsgoldclub.com.
I got a question.
Yeah.
Who are you?
Oh, my name is Adam. I'm Ron's acquisitionist / partner.
Yeah.
This is Ron. All right, we got first question here from Tony and Angie Stewart.
Oh yeah, every week.
There are so many changes happening in our industry, and I know that your VAs are making changes along with them to serve us better.
As we are.
Can you tell us about any updates to the services they now provide and what additional services they are considering for the future?
Gosh. Well, one thing, guys, we've got a group coaching now that is just about a third of what the one-on-one mentoring is. Frankly, you get the one-on-one, you get the group coaching free. We got to add a lot more calls that you can get on. This guy is fast becoming the expert on the new Dreams Pro. He teaches it almost every week. And then, we still got a boot camp scheduled about every month, and about every other month we have implementation power days. Trying to think of the name.
Yeah.
Okay. About every other month, that's where you come to Jacksonville and bring your computer, and we load it up with all the tools for your systems and teach you how to use it. And you go home with a mailing list or 2 or 3, and you go home learning how to really get the comps, because you'll get them here in class on your houses where you're at. And we're gonna let you pull a mailing list where you live, and you'll see how easy it is. And the mailing list is all free. You don't have to go rent a mailing list anymore. And then they do all the mailing for you. So this thing is going to kind of change the industry as far as we're concerned. And we're sitting here in the middle of a quick start boot camp in Jacksonville right now. He just came in here a minute ago and said, I got another house. And I'll tell you, in the last 10 days or so, we're on fire. We're getting all kinds of houses that are, there's only a little equity in them, but they're in excellent condition. And most of them are less than 2 years old. We take them over, they don't want any money. They just want to get out of debt. They figured out they can't afford the house.
Yeah.
And literally I've turned down several of them because, it just wasn't much equity in them, and I didn't see, I didn't want to mess with them.
Yeah.
But I can tell you right now, there are great prospects for owner occupants that want to buy a house. Because every one of these, we can take over the debt, no personal liability, some equity, a reasonable payment that any owner occupant would want to pay, but there's just not enough. It's all on me. It's my fault. I just don't want them. But I'm just thinking from an investor, from an owner occupant's point of view, how great deals they are for people who want to move into the house. No loan, no application, no personal liability, get a contract, close it, and move in. And then we got a lot of things going on here. So that's as complicated as I want to get it.
All right. Next question from Jacob in Ohio. Do you have a script anywhere in your resources for negotiating a lease option deal with the seller for sandwich lease option?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a long one. Yeah. How about if I just lease your house with an option to buy and make your payment, make sure your house keeps in good shape till I cash you out?
Sounds good.
It was hard.
Tough one. And also, second part, can you recommend a good sandwich lease option calculator for quick calculations?
We use EZ calculator for all kinds of calculations. And so if you don't have it, it's free. Just download an EZ calculator, and then you want to use the one up in the upper left-hand corner that's blue, and that'll calculate anything you want to calculate. It's free. I used to pay $150 for a Hewlett-Packard HP. I think that's what it was. $150, and this your cheap app will do anything it would do that you're ever going to do. Not cheap app, free app.
Yeah. You'll like this next one. Do sellers get upset if you don't cash them out at the end of your agreed upon term?
I don't know when I've had one that actually went past the agreed upon term, but I don't worry about it, and here's why. I'm not going to personally guarantee any debt, and if I 5-year balloon and I haven't cashed them out in 5 years, they only have 2 choices. One, if they want the house back, I'll give them the house back. Or 2, they can extend the term. And I've never had anybody who wants the house back. Yeah. They didn't want it this year, they ain't gonna want it 5 years from now. But think about it though, I tell them this, let's say I don't pay you off by the end of the 5 years, John. Wouldn't it be true that your loan is paid down considerably? Yes. Isn't it also true your value's probably gone way up? Yes. Well, John, I could make you a case that the best thing that could happen to you is that I don't pay you off at the end of 5 years. Wouldn't you agree? That's the end of that conversation.
I use it all the time. Honestly, when someone pushes on down, I literally say the same thing. Yeah,
I'm glad you learned something.
Yeah, yes, sir. Do sellers get upset? Oh, sorry. You've already made it clear that you can buy your own home that you live in using subject to a wrap, but can you buy your own home using seller financing, or does Dodd-Frank prohibit that?
A wrap is seller financing. And I don't know how you got Dodd-Frank in this. That has nothing to do with what you're doing. Dodd-Frank doesn't even apply to you. So mark that off your list. It doesn't apply to you. I've read the entire 800 pages of the Dodd-Frank Act, and the word lease option is not even in it. And it's designed for builders, for example, and banks and so forth. We don't worry about Dodd-Frank. So whatever seminar you went to get that, don't go back.
Do you have any flexibility with tenant buyers who are late on rent payments? Do you ever cut them a break on the late fee?
I cut them a break, but I don't cut it too far. My payments are all due on the 1st, and they all have a 5-day late penalty in them. And that late penalty is 10% of that month's payment. And then if they don't pay that, obviously we're going to try to reach them by phone, see what's going on, and under no circumstances am I going to send somebody over there to knock on the door. Guys, don't do that. You never know what's behind that door, okay? Or what drug they're on today. The reality is, when I put lease option tenant buyers in a house, they make their monthly payments, because if they don't, they lose that non-refundable option deposit they gave me in $1,000. So it's a totally different business. Lease option tenant buyers over tenants. Okay, tenants are a different breed. They don't have a dog in the hunt. They don't have skin in the game. So they got a lot to lose if they act up. And I don't know that I've ever had to evict. Yeah, one time I've had to evict a lease option tenant buyer because the mom died and the kids were living there and not paying the rent, and I had to boot them out of the house. Yeah.
Happens sometimes.
Yeah.
That's all our questions today.
When you set yourself up to where you can't lose, it's hard to lose. But you'll keep thinking of a way, won't you? Come see Papa teach you how to do this business with no risk. Period. I'll see you next week. John, do you know what the dates are on the last week of March?
March 26th through the 28th.
Yeah, we're having a free summit. Make sure you set those dates aside and get online and register. I guess you go to ronlegrand.com and register right there.
Go right from the calendar.
And I'm going to have some really quality people in that thing besides some classes that I'm going to do. So anytime you get a chance to get this kind of training for free, you better take me up on that offer. And here's a better offer. If you're not satisfied, I'll give you 3 times your money back.